Hey, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 types of AI marketing tools you need in 2026. Marketing in 2026 doesn't look like marketing in 2023. And if you are still doing SEO, email marketing, and content the old way, you are not just slower than your competitors. You are invisible to the tools that are now doing their marketing for them. In this video, I'm breaking down the five categories of AI marketing tools every business needs this year, and exact tools I will recommend in each one. So some of this you have heard of, a couple might surprise you. So let's go into it. So here are the 5 categories: SEO and content optimization, email marketing and automation, customer relationship management, CRM, content creation, and AI automation. Stick around. Then the last category is the one that tie everything else together. SEO, the first one is SEO and content optimization. So this is where AI has changed the game the most, because now this tool doesn't just tell you what to write. They help you understand what exactly ranking and why. So tools to cover: SEMrush One. SEMrush One position as the all-in-one suite. So we have to perform keyword research, competitor tracking, AI visibility, backlink analysis, and AI-assisted content brief, all in one platform. Good for teams that want one dashboard instead of juggling different tools. The second on the list is SE Ranking, one of the best AI SEO tools in the market today. Budget-friendly alternative with strong ranking tracking, AI visibility tracking, content optimization, and white label reporting. Popular with agencies and freelancers. So the one line takeaway: both SEMrush One and SE Ranking combine all SEO and marketing tools you need in one place. So if you are a beginner, we recommend to start with SE Ranking, and if you have a business that is growing, then you can start with a SEMrush. So both two offer 14 days free trial. So you can check the link below the video's description. So the next is email marketing automation. Still one of the highest ROI channel in marketing. That means this is one of the highest return of investment channel in marketing, and AI has made automation dramatically smarter. So the tools to cover are first. The first one is Kit, formerly known as Convert Kit. Best for creator and solopreneur. Simple automation, strong deliverability, built for people who sell directly to their audience. The second one is HubSpot email marketing. Best if you are already in this HubSpot ecosystem or want email tied directly into a broader CRM or marketing stack. Then the third one is Moonsend. Moonsend is another email marketing positioned as the affordable, small business friendly option with solid automation workflow without the enterprise price tag. So if you are a beginner looking for best email marketing you can use to grow your business, I will advise to check Moonsend. And if you are a creator or want to sell directly to your audience, then I will advise you to start with a Kit, formerly known as Convert Kit. Then if you're already using the HubSpot, then I will recommend HubSpot email marketing software. So a quick advice: pick based on where you already live. If you are CRM first, go HubSpot, and if you are creator first, Kit is the best option. And if you are budget conscious and just starting, I would recommend to start with Moonsend. So the third is customer relationship management, which is known as CRM. This is your source of trust for every lead and customers. And in 2026, the AI layer on top of CRMs is what's doing the heavy lifting. Lead scoring, follow-up suggestion, deals, forecasting, and so on. So tools to cover here are HubSpot, the flexibility, scalable pick, great free tiers, strong ecosystem, work for small team up to larger organization. So if you are already using HubSpot before, I would recommend you to continue with their customer relationship management tools. The second one is GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel position itself as agency and for agency and small businesses. So it bundles CRM with funnels, SMS, and automation, making it a strong all-in-one for service businesses. If you are looking for one of the best CRM tools to manage your business, or if you have more than one client, then I recommend you to start with GoHighLevel. It's one of the best CRM tools in the market today that you can easily subscribe to to combine SMS, automation, funnel, and email marketing all in one platform. So if you are agency managing multiple clients, then GoHighLevel, white label, features are a big draw. And if you want the most polished, well-documented platform, then HubSpot wins. So the first one is content creation itself. This is the categories most people think of first when they hear AI marketing tools, and for good reason. Tools to cover here is Claude. So strong for longer form writing, brand voice, and research heavy content where accuracy and structure matters. So if you are looking for free AI tools to write a long form content, to create a content that with a little bit accuracy, and that you want your content to be structured for SEO and for AI platform, then I will advise you to try Claude. Then the second one is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a generalist workhorse. Good for brainstorming, quick draft, rapid iteration, and multimodal tasks. So my honest take here is most serious marketers now use both, one for heavy lifting, draft, and structured thinking, the other for fast iteration and brainstorming. So don't think of it as picking a side. So you can use both two together. So and the category that tie everything else in this list together is AI automation. So we cover these tools here. We have Gumloop. Gumloop's position as the newer AI native automation builder, good for building custom AI workflow without any coding. If you want to build AI agents, software to grow your business, then you can try Gumloop. You don't need to have any coding experience. Just you can start with free trial. Just jump Gumloop, watch their free training, and create or build your first AI agent to work for your business. So the second one is Zapier. Zapier has established itself as a tool to connect thousands of apps together, come with huge library of pre-built templates, easiest starting point for beginner. Then the next one is HubSpot AI. Automation built natively into HubSpot own workflow. Best if you are already using CRM or committed and want fewer moving parts. Then you can select a HubSpot AI. The real power move in 2026 is not using one AI tool. It is connected them. So automation tools like this are what let your SEO tools, your CRM, and your email platform actually talk to each other. So that is the stack. SEO and content optimization to find what to say, email and CRM to manage who you are sending it to, and content creation tools to actually write and design it, and automation to connect it all. So you don't need every tool on this list. Pick one from each category based on your budget and your stage of business. Now, if this was helpful, drop your comment with which category you are most focused on right now. I read every one, and if you want a deeper breakdown of any single tools here, let me know and I will make it in the next video. Don't forget subscribe if you want to learn more about this breakdown. As new AI marketing tools comes out, this space move faster, and I will keep this list updated. So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.